Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the screen timeout settings in Windows 11. So you want to increase or decrease the screen timeout. In Windows 11, just do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And in settings, go to system. And here we have many options and we are looking for something called power and battery, screen and sleep. So we will click on that. And then we need to scroll down, and here you have this screen sleep hibernate timeouts. We need to click on that, and when the charger is plugged in, then when exactly your screen is going to be turned off, you can make it 20 minutes, 15 minutes, it is up to you. I'll make it 30 minutes and make my device sleep after. I'll make 30 minutes. And on battery, it is 3 minutes. You can increase whatever you want to. I'll go with the 5 minutes and it is up to you. If you want to show the battery percentage, you can turn on and you will have the battery percentage right below at the bottom right corner. So this is how you can change the screen timeout setting.